Hello and welcome back to AkiQuest. You all have heard about renovation projects before and how they work. Where you get a renovation project and you go there to take measurements of the existing building, then you draw the existing building and you now decide which wall to demolish, which new wall to create in order to renovate the project and meet the client's demands and needs. Well, the funny thing is that Revit already gives us an opportunity to do that in their software, and that is what we are going to be talking about in today's tutorial video. There is a very small icon that enables us to create a model for an existing project, then we switch to a new construction project and we design what we intend the new facade or design layout of the building is going to look like. Well, if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. My name is Grant, and in this channel we dish out interesting architectural related content. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, share this video to your colleagues, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any interesting video when next we publish. Before further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, now this is my Revit interface that I have right here. Now, imagine you went to a renovation project and you just finished taking measurements, an existing project, and you just finished taking measurements and you want to renovate that project. Now, the first thing you need to do, it is called, the whole process in Revit is called phasing, design phasing, where we switch from the existing project to the new construction projects, show them the walls that are to be demolished, the new construction, the new walls that are to be created, and all of that, you understand? So what we need to do first of all, as we have our project blank, we need to model the existing building that we've just measured. So I'm just going to be doing like a test run. So I'm just going to be using an illustrative building on my head. So the first thing we need to do is to come under our properties bar. Now you can see, since our Revit is just open, this is a fresh blank page. All we need to do is to come under this phasing right here, design phasing. All we need to do is to change this. By default, this is always on new construction, because whatever we are designing is always like a new project, a new building. You understand? But when it comes to renovation, it's actually a little bit different. So we change this to existing because this is a renovation work. Now we need to model the existing building first before modeling the new construction. So we change this to existing building. Make sure this is an existing building. Now let's just create some walls. Okay, so let's say we draw a basic wall. Let's say we do something. Okay, this is too big. Okay, let's say we do something like this. All right. Then let's take some offset, let's say 1.7 this way. Remember, this is just like a test. I'm just using this to show you example of what goes on and how renovation projects are done using Revit. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. 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 So let's say this is a room, just a room. Then we have our toilet and bathroom at this corner, and we have our wardrobe at the other corner. So let's make this 1.8, and let's make this 2.7. Okay. This is good, and let's align this to this. So then the wardrobe depth is 600. All right, so this is what we have, you understand? So let's place our doors. Let's place this door right here. Okay, now let's place this door right here. Okay, good. Then we need to place some windows. Let's place tiny windows here, here, and let's place one here and also here. Let's place one here as well. Then we'll place small window for the toilet. Let's place it here. Let's place it here. Okay, now this is what we have so far. So select all the walls. Okay, let's make the height to the ceiling level, which is okay, or let's make it to the roof level. So filter other things and check only walls. So let's make the height of the wall to the roof level. All right, so we come to the 3D, so we can see what we have created. Now you see, because this is on our existing project, it's going to be grayish in color. You understand? It's going to be grayish. When you change it to shaded, it's going to be grayish. Now you can see how everything is looking. The doors are actually gray because this is the existing project. Now Revit, since you've changed it to existing, Revit automatically knows that this is not the final product, that the final product is going to be the new construction. So it's going to be like this. So let's leave it this way. Now let's take this door to the DPC level. Okay, let's select all these windows. Let's select all these windows and let them start from the DPC level. So we have our, let's create our floor as well. Let's create our floor. Okay, I think this is fine. Let's create our floor. Okay, DPC level. All right. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so this is what we have, as this is what we've modeled. So we're going to model the concrete fascia and then the roof. Let's just complete this as the existing. All right, so for us to model the concrete fascia, I'll click on model in place, work. Okay, then we draw parts. Let's click on sweep, sketch parts. Let's use square, and we do something like this. Okay, come to our 3D view to this point, then we edit the profile. Okay, we edit the profile. Let's say 600. Okay, let's say 300. Okay. Okay. Let's go like this. Like this. Okay, I think this should do. All right, so this is our concrete fascia. Okay, we click on good, then we create our roof. Now let's click on the 3D, come to the top view of the 3D, and we create our roof. Okay, now let's create our roof and click on good. So we come back here, we move the roof up to this point. All right, so this is our existing project, as you can see. Now what we need to do, okay, let's put some staircase at this entrance. Let's make it complete. So let's use our floor. Let's use floor to create the staircase. Okay, so we have, let's have 900 here. Okay, then click on CS to create similar for the floor. And we have 300. Okay, let's attach this to this point. Okay, and then create another one, CS, to create similar. And we have 15. There's another 300. Okay, so come to our 3D. Okay, now we see this should be on the DPC level. This be 150 mm high, and this should be 300 mm. Okay, now you can see something. So this shows that either the wall is not, the floor is not 150 in size. Aha, so I figured. So this should be 150. Okay, okay, all right. Now this is perfect. So this is what we have as our existing project. Okay, so let's join Let's join this. This it. All right. So this is what we have as our existing project. Okay, good. So now Revit automatically knows this is the existing project. So when we are now about to do the new construction project, all we need to do is to come back to our this phasing right here. It's called design phasing. This whole process is called design phasing in Revit. How to phase from the existing to the new construction. So now we are done with our existing. We now need to create our new construction project. Now what do we need to do in our new construction? Let's change this to hide hidden view. Okay, now our new construction project, we want this door to be at this point. We want this door to come to this point. We want this window to be a big window instead of two small windows. We don't want any window here. We want this window instead of this point, it should be at this point. Then we want to create an entrance porch for this, an entrance porch, and some other little touch up. Now we already know what we want to renovate this project into. So the tools we need to use now, under modify, now you can see this is demolish. Now we're going to be working with this demolish tool. But before we start demolishing anything, we need to change this to new construction now, because now we are about entering the new construction phase. So we change this to new construction. Now you can see everything looks like it went gray, kind of grayish. So we click on this demolish. Now we're going to demolish this and this because we don't want this single windows. We want it to be a very big window. So we click on this demolish, click on this demolish. Now it kind of changes it to hidden form. Now we don't also want this. We demolish this as well. Good. Now this window is not supposed to be here. We don't want it here, so we demolish this. This door also, we demolish this door. This door as well, demolish this door. Good. Now this is perfect. We've demolished everything that we don't want. Now we need to create the new things that we want in this project. Now what do we need to do? New door. We need a new 750 door at this point. Here we've placed it at this point. Okay, now make sure this is under new construction, you understand, before you place this door, because if you don't check, once you are placing the door, you are going to be placing it in a wrong phase, and it will alter the whole workflow and work process. Now we need a 900 door, or let's say a 12 door, this kind of door. Now we need this door at this point here. Now let's place this one here. Good, perfect. Then we need this small window. We need this window to be at this point here. We place this window here. Now we don't want anything to be at this place. We are just going to leave here empty. Now we need a very large window here. So we click on window. We'll look for a very large window. Let's say 1.5. Okay, and then we place 1.5. Let's place it here. Okay, perfect. Now you can see this is how what we are looking for. So we are also going to create existing an entrance pouch, around this area. But let's look at what we have done so far. Let's see how it's coming out. Now we'll come to this. Now you can see all we've created. Now you can see the new construction. They are red in color. Now you can see these are the demolished. Why this is looking like this, I'm going to explain. So let's come back to our phasing. Now you can see this phasing. We are under new construction phase here. If we go to existing, so this is our existing phase. So we come under here, show complete. Okay, now something is wrong. Now remember, we modeled everything we wanted under our existing phase, and we also included our roof in the existing phase. But now the problem is we modeled the roof on the 3D, and when we modeled it on the 3D was in new construction, not existing. So that roof is in new construction. So we go back to our new construction. Now you can see the roof there. Now you see. So we need to click on this and this, then change them to existing. You understand? Because they are supposed to be on the existing phase. Now when we go back to our existing phase here, Now you see it comes with the roof. Now you see, so this is our existing model, our existing building. Now if you click on show complete, that it means it's going to show you the whole existing building. If you click on show all, it means it's going to show you the whole existing building. So click on show complete to show you the whole existing phase. Then if you click on new construction, if you change this to new construction, good. Now you're going to see the new construction. Now you see this has changed to that big window. You know, initially we had two small windows here. Let's go back to our existing phase so you see. Now you see the existing phase, two small windows, and you see this door right here. But if you change it to new construction, now you see the big door has gone to that other end, and this big window is now positioned here. Now you see there was a window here for the toilet, but it's no more there because we demolished it and we created a new window at this point. Now this is how, now you see there was a window here in the existing phase, but we demolished it and you can see it is no longer there. So now under the new construction phase, okay, let's make this from the DPC level. Let's take this up. Okay, now this window also on the DPT level. Okay, 1.5. All right. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Now you see that this roof that we created it. We've changed it now to the existing level, as you can see. But if we are doing our new construction, because we are going to add an entrance porch around this place, so this roof won't be able to function again. So we need to demolish this roof. So we click on demolish. We demolish the roof and we demolish the concrete fascia as well. Good. But if you go to your existing phase, because this is a new construction, so we're going to be demolishing them in the new construction. But if you go to the existing phase, they will still be there. So we'll come back to our new construction because that's what we are working with now. Now you can see how the whole project is looking. Okay. Now under this new construction, once you click on show complete, it will show you your new construction project. If you click on show all, it will show you both the new construction and the existing, but the existing is going to be grayish and the new construction projects are going to be the ones highlighted in red colors. Then under the same place, if you click on show demo and new, you will see what it's going to show you. If you click on show new only, now these are the new things we created only. We just created this wall, this door, so you can get the hang of it. Show previous plus demo, you see what it brings out for you. You understand? Well, we're going to be working on show complete because we just want to be seeing the whole complete new construction, which consists of the existing wall that we are going to leave and the new walls that we are going to create. Good. So this is it. Now we come under our natural ground level. Now make sure this is under new construction. Perfect. So we're going to be demolishing this. We're going to be drawing a new wall around this place, and also we're going to draw a new wall here for the entrance porch. So let's do that. So we click on wall, new construction. Make sure this is on new construction. We click on wall, then start from here. We draw a wall here. One. Now you can see the color, it changed. The color is white. You can see the new wall is very white, while the existing wall is grayish. Now you do the same thing for this point. You draw this. Now let's draw another wall here. Let's extend this to this point as well. Okay, click this here. Okay, let's make this way. All right, I think this is perfect. This is good for the entrance porch. Okay, now you see this floor right here. We're not going to be deleting it because we need this floor to be at this point, but we are just going to create another floor around this area. So we click on this, click on CS, that's to create similar. Now you can see, make sure this is in new construction because we're creating a new floor around this area. Okay, create that floor here. All right, we click on good and we make sure the floor is on the DPC level. All right, DPC level. Now this staircase, we're going to demolish these two because they are useless at this point. We need to create the staircase at this point now. So let's just, instead of creating a new one, we just want to copy them. Let's copy this. Let's copy this to this point. Let's copy this to this point. Then we can edit it, draw it down here. Also do the same thing for this, edit it and place it here. Then we can click on the two of them and make sure they are under new construction. Okay, good, they are under new construction. Perfect. Then we demolish, this is the demolish icon. We demolish this and this. All right, so that is perfect. Now you see this, we can also extend this wall to this point. Let's make sure this wall is at this point. All right, good. Now, so you can see what we have now. Now we have our existing walls and our new constructed walls together in this interface. So if you want to see only the new construction, now if you see, because we are under new construction and we have to click on show all, so it's going to show you both the existing and the new construction. But if you click on show complete, you are only going to see the new construction project, as you can see here. Then if you click on existing, show complete, you will see just the existing, how the project was initially before. So this is just a way to, you know, switch from existing to new construction. Then if you click on new construction and you click on show all, that is where you will see both the demolished wall and all. So this is what you need to arrange all these things in a very like organized manner, so that once you are constructing, doing the handling the new construction, they can see from your drawing that okay, this wall is you may probably use a legend to represent it. Okay, this hidden details, hidden dashed walls are the walls that are going to be demolished. So they know that okay, we are demolishing this wall, we are demolishing this wall, we are creating a new wall here. I'm just going to arrange them properly in a legend format so that it will be easily understood by people. Okay, so when we come back to our 3D, now you can see what we have here. So let's click on this, this, and this. Let's make sure they are at the roof level. All right, so this is what we have. Perfect. Now we need to create our roof for this project and our concrete fascia as well for this project. But before we do that, now we need to create like a small beam around this point. So let's click on this. Make sure we're on new construction, CS. Okay. Now we click on this. Okay. Let's align this to this. Okay. Make sure click on CS again. Create another one here. Let's align this to this. Okay, now make sure these two are above, let's say ceiling level. Good, but they are on the ceiling level. Now we draw this to this, make sure this is here, then we can trim these two. So once you come to the 3D view, now you can look at that. Now this is looking good. So this is our new constructed, this is our new construction. Okay, now let's create our concrete fascia. Okay, sweep, sketch path. Okay, click on this, 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 this. Okay, this and this. Click on good. Come to the east and we sketch our parts. We edit the profile 600, 300. Okay, delete this, then we sketch whatever we want. Okay, so let's say we do this, this, this. Let's say this. Okay, all right, I think this is okay. Okay, now this is it. This is what we have. Then we finish it. We come under our roof and we create our roof. Okay, then we hit the tab to select all the profile and we click on good. We select the roof and we move it up to this point. All right, so this is our new construction. Now I can see this is the new construction. Where is it? Show complete. If you click on show all, which is supposed to show you both the existing and the new construction, you click on show all. Now you're going to see, you can see the whole mix up, you can see how horrible it's looking, you can see those stairs that we demolished and all. Then if you click on show complete, you can see only the new construction. If you switch from the new construction to the existing under this show complete, you will see only the existing project. And if you click on new construction, you can just switch from this to that like that, and it will make your work very easy and very understandable. So I think this is all. That will be all for design phasing in Revit, how to phase from the construction, the existing phase to the new construction phase. So if this video was in any way helpful to you, please kindly hit the subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when next we publish video. See you guys in our next video.